everybody, my name is Luisa. I am a local realtor in Seattle and Bellevue, Washington, and today I want to tell you my two huge mistakes that I made in the beginning of my career, and hopefully after watching this video you will not make the same mistakes. The first mistake was not asking for help. I only started talking to brokers after passing my real estate exam, and I only asked for help after writing 2 purchase and sales agreements. And I actually met a lot of people that started asking for help even before they had a license. So it's always good to ask for help. You have a lot to learn, so you can start asking for help before you even get your license. You don't have to go through 2 months struggling by yourself. You will find people that will want to help you because of all the value that you will bring to the table. My second mistake was not counting for business expenses. I had 6 months of personal reserves and I thought, well, I'll be fine with that. But I never counted for the MLS fees and for the marketing costs and for the gas in my car. And I think you should talk to people that are in your area, asking them how much you should expect to be spending in marketing material and all of those things. So how did I overcome my mistakes? Well, I started asking for help and I got a job that pays me a salary. So if you made the same mistakes, you can always ask for help. Now I'm curious, what were your big mistakes when you started your real estate career? Please tell me on the comments below. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to be happy.